There's a broken trampoline. I'll try and fix it later. Do not use blades to open. Already made the first mistake. It seems good so far. I just need to thread this through the top line over there. Hopefully it will be a good fit and not much modifications to do. At the top here, need to remove these. I had to quickly go get a ladder because from experience it's not nice falling down from stuff. Just unhooking these, then I'll thread it through the new one. Yeah, about 5 minutes later, it's all down. Now I just start either unthreading it or maybe just whip out a knife and go with it that way. Okay, that wasn't a long decision to make. I whipped out the super tool and I'll just go around. And I was attacked by a surprise spider. I must have accidentally cut through its nest inside there. Off you go, buddy. Busy unraveling the bottom bit, get the old net off. Came across this knot. I thought I'll share a handy tip for getting rid of stubborn old knots. Just like that. Seems today's attack of the spiders. Off it goes. Also a bit aware that the other one was around here somewhere where it disappeared underneath the spring cover. Just like that one's going to do. There it is. It now needs to be threaded through this. I can maybe just undo these. So that one there is made for an 8 pole and we only have 6 poles, so I'm going to have to do some retrofitting. Hopefully show you the end result soon. Halfway through the threading process, I realize as it is a round thread, I'll need to do it in 2 or 3 parts. I think I did about half there, and then do the other half now. The second half went quite quickly, it just went straight through. Now this is the point where 2 oceans meet. We'll see how I'm going to manage to bend this together. All done, all threaded through. There it is again, kahuna. Well, just put these up here now, hook them in. Like I say, they are meant for 8 poles. I'll see where they overlap and then I'll most likely have to cut some holes where they don't. I hooked it over the 2 halfway points. So here's we'll give it a cut. A bit nervous, like you always are with your first time. I'll show you the results soon. Made the first cut, now just to hook it over, hook it in and do the other 4. There we are. I would think it's about 80% complete. Just gonna hook these bottom thingies in. Came with that rope there in the middle. We might also just thread that through for extra safety. These will hopefully just click in quite easily on the existing springs. Yeah, fairly simple. All done. Tied it off at the bottom. I lied when I said it was 80%. It was more like 60%. Threading that rope took a lot longer than I thought. Got the next part for the trampoline restoration. It's in the black bag. That is to put around the sides. I think it's called the padding. We'll remove the old one and put the new one on and look at the results. The old pad is held together with a few straps around the side. I'll just get my trusty little openal and cut it loose. I've loosened it up on all the sides. I'll just drop the top down, lift the old one off and put the new one on. To drop the net off, I just unhook them there. Pulling the old one off. Unwrapping the new one. Just going around the side, putting it on the outside of the net, and then I'll pull up the sides and fasten the outside again. Halfway there, it already looks better. It's all put on. Now just to tighten the pad around the outside. We've got the Allen key to loosen that, so I can pull that in on all the poles and tighten it with the strings. And there we are, as good as new. Hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.